Hi kids, welcome back to my happy world. So today we're going to talk about a very famous Hindu festival called Janmashtami. Janmashtami, which is also known as Gokulashtami. We celebrate Janmashtami to celebrate the birth of Lord Krishna. Here we have a very cute baby Krishna. So let's begin the story. It was a dark night in Mathura. A very cruel king called Kans had constant conflicts with his neighboring clan Yadavs. To regain the conflicts, to solve the problems, he decided to marry his sister Devki to the king of Yadav clan called Vasudev. Once he got them married, he believed the connections would get better between Kans and the Yadav clan. To shower some blessings with the gifts to the newlyweds, Devki and Vasudev, Kans decided to take the reign of the chariot himself. While he was taking them to a palace, a forecasting by the heavens appeared. The foretellers told him that Devki's eighth son would bring his cruelty to an end. He would kill Kans. Listening to this, Kans was not angry nor he was scared at all. He had a very easy step to take. He immediately removed his sword out and decided to kill his own sister right then and there. To save the wife, Vasudev begged and pleaded Kans that let him not do this. Instead, he would hand over all the 8 children to the 2 Kans immediately when they are born. Agreeing to this plea, Kans decided to imprison both husband and wife, Vasudev and Devki. He instructed the guards to inform him once the kids were born. They were in prison. Suddenly, as promised by Vasudev to hand over all his children to Kans, he did that for the first 6 kids. When Devki was pregnant for the 7th time, heavenly, the baby was transferred to Vasudev's first wife Rohini, which later took birth as Balram. When Devki got pregnant for the 8th time, Lord Vishnu, he himself came to the prison cell and informed Vasudev that it is him who is going to take an avatar of Krishna to destroy the kingdom of evil Kans and get Mother Earth at peace. He also instructed Vasudev how he has to take the baby to his friend's house Nandraj and Yashoda and exchange the babies. On a 4th night, it was a very dark, stormy night. The locks of the prison were broken. The guards fell asleep. Vasudev took a wicker basket on his head with baby in it, and he wanted to cross Yamuna river, which was very difficult. But Sheshnag also helped Vasudev to cross the river. Once he crossed the river, he reached Gokul and he exchanged Krishna with Nand Baba's daughter. Once he got back to the prison, the locks were again on place and the guards got to know that there is a baby who has taken birth of Vasudev and Devki. When Kans got to know, he again came to snatch the baby and kill the baby. But to his surprise, it was a baby girl, not knowing that the exchange has happened. He tried to kill that baby girl as well, but the baby girl turned into goddess Durga, and she told Kans that your goddess Durga informed Kans that divine power has already taken birth. Kans was furious. So this was the story of Janmashtami, how Krishna was born. So Devki and Vasudev gave birth to Krishna, but like I said, he was raised by Nand Baba and Yashoda Maiya. हाथी घोड़ा पाल की, जय कन्हैया लाल की।